Moibetse ke nako ya ditaba tsa Sesotho dumela ke mole Augustine Letlalo pe ke hlosa ditaba.
There has to be heightened levels of planned maintenance. We have received fiscal support. We do things right. Don't cut the corners. Make sure that whatever you do, you place the safety of employees first.
Eskom re tla fokotsa mekgahlelo ya timatima matsatsing a mmalwa a tlang.
I had that experience also when I won with Cameroon, but most of the time it's all only rumors.
Mokwetlisi wa Bafana Bafana o qheletse thoko menyetsi ya hore o tlo tloela sehlopha haufinyana. Halbele ro amohele mmuso o ntlafaditse maAfrika Borwa hore mekgahlelo ya timatima o tla fokotsa matsatsing a mmalwa a tlang. Letona la motlakase ngaka Kgosientsho la Mokgopa ho hlaloseditse baqolotsi ba ditaba hore maemo ha jwale a timatima empa e le tshitiso ya nakwana.
Eskom e sebetsa ka thata ho busetsa kakaretso ya 3200 megawatts ya energy maemong a yona ka Laboraro. E se e theotse mokgahlelo wa timatima ho tloha wa botshelela ho fihlela ho wa bohlano ka lebaka la dikarolo tse mmalwa tse seng di sebetsa.
There has to be heightened levels of planned maintenance. We have received fiscal support. We do things right. Don't cut the corners. Make sure that whatever you do, you place the safety of employees first. We return them at the time we said we'll return them. When we return them, they are healthier, they perform better, the efficiency levels are higher. That's how we're going to resolve load shedding.
Eskom e qheletse ka thoko ditletlebo tsa hore mehato ya timatima e ntseng e eketseha e ka amahangwa le diketso tsa tshenyo le tsa ditlolo tsa molao tse etsahalang ho yona.
The security cluster is within the stations. We are doing investigations within our call space everywhere. So these are ongoing things to look for intelligence. But currently on what has happened that led to this, you've seen that the biggest change is what I've just explained now with Mitupi.
Ha jwale baahi le beng ba dikgwebo East London provinceng ya Eastern Cape ba re ba utlwa kgahlamelo ya timatima e phametse mokgahlelong wa botshelela. Ba re dijo tsa bona di a senyeha ka ha di a tsetsi di sa sebetse.
Tona go le Gauteng Pajazza Lesufi e re e motlotlo ke mehato ya mmuso wa hae ya ho hira batjha lenaneong la NAS Hispani.
I am a Hispani beneficiary. I was under the PYEI program and I have been working as an educator assistant at Raymond Ditaba Secondary School.
We were recruited by national government, and on the basis of the recruitment of national government, their contracts came to an end. There's nothing to do with me. Their contracts came to an end and we felt you can't have 32,000 young people to go back and join the unemployment list. If people say electioneering work, it's just unfortunate. For us, is to give these young people an opportunity rather than them join the unemployment queue. What is strange is that everyone in their manifesto, they fight about fighting unemployment. When you do that, they also accuse you of electioneering. Our mission is to ensure that young people in Gauteng get opportunities. I'm excited. More than 20,000 of them are here. More than 20,000 of them are here to collect an employment letter so that they can go and work for their families rather than live on handouts and food parcels.
ANC Northwest e re ena le tshepo hore e tla hlola dikgetho tsa 2024 ho sa natswe mathata a phano ya ditshebeletso.
Maloi o tlhophile go nna modulasetulo wa ANC mo provinceng ka kgwedi ya Phatwe ka ngwaga wa 2022 ka nako ya conference ya lekoko e neng e tshwaretswe kwa Rustenburg. O fentse tonakgolo ya ga jaana Bushimo ape go tsena mo maemong ano. Maloi o thapiwa go nna tonakgolo ya nakwana ka nako mape a neng a le malatsing a boikhutso ka ntlha bolwetse mo ngwageng e fetileng. Le fa go le jalo jaaka paka ya tsamaiso ya puso ya borataro mo nakong ya demokrasi le gaufi le go khutla a re ntlha gore ke modulasetulo wa ANC ga e tlhalose gore o tla nna tonakgolo ya province fa morago ga ditlhopho tsa monongwaga.
In the ANC there are processes. A provincial executive committee with its alliance partners, they will sit, recommend 3 names to the Thule House. Those 3 individuals will be interviewed. After those interviews, the leadership will then come back to us and say, having interviewed these 3 individuals, this is the best candidate for premiership.
Fana budiwa gore a tla tsena mo maemong a tonakgolo fa ka tlhophiwa. Maloi o na tsiboga jana.
If I'm nominated, yes. Leave that question. I don't think that is an important question for now. Like I said, anybody can become a premier. At the right time, I will tell everybody whether I'm available for parliamentary politics or not.
Khabagare Maloi o solofela gore ba tla fenya ditlhopho mo porofenseng ka palo e kwa godimo. Thabiso Moss, SABC News mo Potchefstroom.
Baahi ba Athoko ka ntlenyana Bakersford Limpopo ba irile kampane ya private ho kwala diforo le mekoti e silweng ke ditsamazama ka hore e kotsi ho baahi le diphoofolo.
Boramoepo ba kromo bao ba sego molaong ba tlogetse melete le dintotoma tša mabu metseng ya Athok. Se ke ka ge ba sanya ke go lefa ditshenyagalelo tša go khupetša melete yeo. Badudi ba re ba šomišitše mašeleng a ka merabeng ya bona go hwetša khamphane ya go khupetša melete ye ka ge e beya maphelo a bona le a diphoofolo kotsing.
E fela go bile le mo le gore re le setšhaba ra kgona go tlatša mo re ka kgonago then ra kgona gore motho la re thushe ka go phušetša. E fela ga gane jwale be re ka duma gore go ka ba le ba bang ba re thušago ka funding ya gore re kgone go phušetša melete ya rena go felelela.
Mašole a rometšwe ka tikologong ye go thibela meepo yeo e sego molaong. Badudi le bona ba ipiletša go mmušo le go basamaria ba kgaogelo go tsenya letsogo.
Re kgonne go bona kotsi ya yona ka kudu ge December mohlagase o tšhaba ka di 28 kgwedi ka moka re sene mohlagase poula mohlagase o wetše ka gare ga melete ya di-legal mine.
Khamphane yeo e thibago melete ye e re e bone go le bohlokwa go thuša setšhaba se.
Mo re o riago mo re khupetša melete ya illegal mine ka mokgwa re kry-ile go ka gona e le dangerous. Then re tlile khupetša melete ka gore community le yona ba lla ka taba gore metlakase e wele then ra ba emisetsa phalo tsa metlakase motlakase o laetile ano jalo ba right.
Badudi ba Athoko ba re ba tšere sephetho sa go tswalela meepo yeo e sego molaong morago gore kgoro ya diepya e laodiše gore lenaneo la bona la go tswalela meepo le nepile meepo yeo e be go šoma pele ga ngwaga wa 1994 fa e leng gore baeng ba meepo yeo ga ba hwetšagale. Nna ke Koketšo Motau wa ditaba tša SABC Athok.
Baithuti ba bahlano ba TVET College ya Motheo Bloemfontein ba tla le ba naheng ya Fora ho ya emelana tlhodisano ya matjhaba ya boqhetseke ka kgwedi ya Loetse selemong sena. Province ya Northern Cape e sebedisana le baemedi ba Vietnam ba fana ka dithuso tsa ditjhelete ba baithuti ba nang le thasello lekaleng la boenjiniere ba dikepe.
Bano ke baithuti ba ntlha mo provinceng ya Northern Cape go tlhophiwa le go fiwa scholarship go ya go ithutela marine engineering kwa Vietnam. Ga ba fetsa dithuto tseno, province e tla bo e dirisitse madi a kana ka dimilione di le 5 mo go bone. Le fa tota ba sa itse gore bokamoso bo ba tsholetseng, ba re ba itumeletse tšhono eno.
Ke batla go dira pharologanyo tona mo economy ya Northern Cape as a whole. So ke tumelela opportunity ya gore ke kgone go dira ja tšhono ena ke tšhono ena gore ke kgone go e dirisa.
Se ke batla go se achieve a ke tsana go Vietnam is that ke batla go dira like connection e like network you know like e tla ntswela molemo.
Tonakgolo ya province Zamane Sol o eleleditse baithuti bano masego.
We are the first from South Africa to go to Hanoi, which is the national university there on marine engineering. So you are the pathfinders, and we hope that you are not going to disappoint us.
Tonakgolo Sol are o solofela gore baithuti bano ba tla boela gae ka bokgoni jo bo tla kgontshang province ya Northern Cape go fetola maemo a ikonomi. Tebogo Msimanga, dikgang tsa SABC, Kimberley.
Mokoetlisi wa Bafana Hiko Bruce ya dimori 70 o qheletse thoko menyetsi ya hore haufinyana o tlo tsamaya sehlopheng.
Bafana ba makaditse ba bangata dipapading tsa AFCON tse bapalwang Ivory Coast ka morao hlola naha ya DRC taong ya dipenele.
It's normal when you have results as a coach of when you play a very good tournament. I had that experience also when I won with Cameroon, but most of the time it's all only rumors.
Mosebetsi o moholo wa mokwetlisi Bruce e ne le ho thusa Afrika Borwa ho fetela dipapading tsa mohope lefatshe wa FIFA ka 2026.
Me, a very good experience when I came to South Africa and when we tried and we did it, qualify for AFCON. I knew what I had to tell to the players.
Ivory Coast e tla fitlhella katleho e kgolo ha e ka hapa AFCON e bang e ka hlola Nigeria bosiung ba kajeno.
You play Africa Cup in your own country. You have a lot of people that just pushing you, support you every day. So it gives you the strength to just perform.
Ka ho le Nigeria e ikemiseditse ho hapa AFCON le kgetlo la bone le ha e qadile ka monyebe thudisanong ena.
Happy, my team happy also. We reached the final. Until now, my boys are doing a fantastic job.
Papadi ya Nigeria le Ivory Coast e tla qala ka hora ya 10 bosiu.
Di fella mona mohi blibi bia latela hayate.